Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 30,000 BTU gas griddle that this brand sent to me for this video. I curated this one already. I washed it, I let it dry. I'm gonna give you my recommendation about how to kind of like curate this griddle, the flat top griddle over here. Personally, I use olive oil and onion. That's how I do it. I don't cook on it. I just use the olive oil right here. I kind of love to use my fingers because this surface is super soft. And then when it's dry, or I use one of those like kitchen towels and things like that, I use an onion, half an onion, and just do this all the way. Then I wash it, let it dry, and it's all done. At least that's what I do when I have griddles, and it's always worked pretty good for me. But you have plenty of other options of how to curate this one. It comes kind of like pre-seasoned, but that's how I do it. That's my recommendation. Otherwise, this is awesome. This one is really big. It's about like 17 inches by 17 inches. It is a little bit heavy. The whole unit is a little bit heavy, but because it packs power, you know. This one, it is 30,000 BTU, and it comes almost ready. The only thing you will have to do is just put this one over here, which is the most heavier part. This one is the heavy one right here. I hope I get it right, just like that. You're gonna put that one there. It comes with 3 burners with a really nice grip and an auto igniter over here, so you can guarantee that that one's gonna be really good, for example, for going out like camping, hiking, fishing. It started to rain right now, but you're gonna keep going no matter what. And then this is when you're gonna hook up your gas tank, which this is the only thing I will have to say about this one, that this could have been a little bit longer, because to put the kind of like the gas tank over here, we'll have to put it right here on the table or on the side, or kind of like elevated a little bit from the floor, but that's it. Again, otherwise, this is a really good one. It's big, it's reliable, and also it's gonna be a really nice one for the steaks that we're gonna cook today. So once I put the battery right here in the igniter, we're gonna do the middle one first, over just like that. This one is already on. We're gonna do the other one too, also on. I think we're good with 2, but actually we're gonna set up to low fire, and we're gonna do all 3. And we have all 3 already. They're all ready to go. Yeah, we're good right here. We're gonna put the griddle on top. Oh my god, this is heavy, but that actually translates into good quality. Heavy on a griddle means good quality. By the way, I also like that comes with a grease dripper over here, like a dripping kind of like tray, so you can empty the grease, the fat, and everything just using this one. Wash it, and you're all set back again. So it's heating up. We're gonna put some butter, not much, just a little bit, and we're gonna put it a little bit lower as well. I don't want to cook in high fire either. There's gonna be just a little bit of butter, not much. Again, this is gonna be just for the center part, and then I'm gonna put just a little bit more. This is how I like it. And then you're gonna see that this one, again, it's a big one, because I can put a big piece like this one, and also put a few steaks as well. I'm gonna add some butter later. Again, not much, just a little bit. But you can see how big this one is. Check the surface of this. Check how much space do I have in this really big griddle. So a couple minutes after, we got it first steaks. Oh, nice. Nice. We want that golden over there. We're gonna do the big piece over here. Yes. This is gonna be awesome. So here we are. We have this 17-inch griddle, 30,000 BTU, heavy, but also powerful and good for outdoor cooking. If you don't want to get your kitchen with all that smoke and everything, you get this fantastic griddle that is also good for the beach, camping, hiking, name it. 3 burners, auto igniter, connect the gas tank, and you're also ready to go. I love it. I'm gonna keep using it in cooking every single weekend. Recommended.